imagine notifications of commissions after commission after commission like this one popping up almost every single hour, either while you're traveling, if you're out spending some time with your family and your friends, and even while you're asleep. You have to stop what you're doing right now and pay close attention, because you're going to see that you're going to be earning from $4,000 to $8,000 of commission only flooding into your payment accounts by notification after notification after notification. And I know you guys are just dying to know what it is. So if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, then make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So first things first, I want you to go on unbounce.com. This is what we're going to be using to make some money today. Now, the first thing you're going to do, and the first thing I want to do, is show you something super duper interesting. Now, this is just a rough estimate of how much money you could be making, okay? You'll see $400, $800, $1,000. And if you actually keep watching, I'm going to show you how you're going to earn faster and even double your income. Now, Unbounce is basically a software that lets customers create different types of landing pages and websites. So let me explain Unbounce and how it works so that you can be able to design amazing landing pages yourself and make a ton of websites. Now, I'm going to demonstrate some of the websites that Unbounce can develop. As you can see over here, there are a ton of different website categories, and they even provide a lot of examples. So as an illustration, this one is the landing page and a website that Unbounce lets you create. Now, don't worry, we're not going to be making any websites. You're not going to have to make or film or create any videos. We're not going to need any technical expertise or any prior experience, okay? I just want to demonstrate how efficient this software is and this strategy is in letting others build, amazing websites like this one over here. So after I explain how Unbounce works, I'm going to demonstrate how we can earn a lot of money by using the Unbounce Partner Program. And to be able to do this, you're going to go onto the homepage of unbounce.com. You're going to go scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to click on Partner Program. The link under the company section. This is going to take you to the page where it says earn 20% recurring revenue for every referral. Now, I enjoy Unbounce so much since they pay you regularly in recurring commission every single month. So as soon as you set up the system, you're just going to keep on earning income every single month. Now, I'm going to explain, Unbounce's pricing packages. Again, this technique is completely free. You're not required to buy anything on Unbounce, but a part of this plan, we are going to be referring and promoting Unbounce to others. So that's why we need to know about the pricing packages. And also, I'm going to show you how to do it in a fully automated way. So to start, you're going to see that there are different prices, $100, $150, and even $400 each month. If you promote these packages, there are some people who will purchase on the annual plan, which means they'll purchase 12 months of the package. If you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. So as you can see over here, the highest earning package is $400 every single month. Now I'm going to demonstrate your earning potential on this website. If we multiply $400 by 12 months, we're going to get $4,800. And from there, we're going to be able to generate like a 20% commission, or 25. So which means from one single customer, we're going to be able to earn like $900. You can keep receiving commission notifications like this, for $700 over and over again. And all you need to do is use a very free and easy and automatic way to advertise and suggest Unbounce to multiple people all at once. And we could be making a lot of money all at once. So first things first, you're going to click on the blue sign up button to create a free account with the Unbounce Partner Program.
As you can see, this is going to appear, and then you're just going to answer a few questions to be able to fully and completely join. And you're going to see you're ready to become an Unbounce partner. You're going to click let's do this. And the following questions are like, are you currently an Unbounce customer? You can just choose no, because as I've mentioned, you're not required to use Unbounce or make a purchase. Next, are you a marketing agency? Again, no. So right there under the question, where will you be sharing your link? I want you to choose social media. And when you join for a free account on Unbounce, you're going to receive your special referral link of the sort. Now, which we are going to need, okay? This is important because this is what we're going to use to promote to be able to earn some money. So, next question, what is the social media of choice? Right here, you're going to type in Quora, because that is the platform that we're going to be using to be able to advertise and promote the Unbounce program. So next one is, who is your primary audience? So you're going to select general marketers. So now you can see, awesome, we're almost there. It's time to get you to the dashboard. All you have to do is click on this link to create an account. And as soon as you do, you're going to be taken to the website where you're going to enter in your email address. You're going to continue, and then you're going to create a password for your account. And lastly, when you're all done, you're going to click on the button to sign in. And once your account has been created successfully, you're then going to be taken to the dashboard of your brand new account. And here the first step is to accept the terms of service to receive your special referral link. Now, to do this, you're going to check the box and you're going to click the confirm button, and that's how you're going to sign up for the Unbounce Partner Program for completely free. On the summary page, you're going to see how many clicks and referrals you're getting, as well as how much money you've already earned. And now, since this is a completely brand new account, you're going to see that you have earned zero, obviously. But when you use the strategy that I'm teaching you today, you're going to earn a lot of commission right away. Now, to find your special referral link, you're going to click on links over there and then dismiss. And to copy our URL, all you need to do is click on this copy button. And as we continue, you're going to visit Quora.com, where you're going to sign up for a free account using either your Google or your Facebook account. Then you're going to be able to start posting and answering questions on Quora right away when you've created an account. Now, Quora works just like a forum where a lot of people like to visit the site, post various photos, videos, ask for questions, provide answers, all that stuff. This is where you're going to get a lot of free traffic that is highly targeted. So from there, you're going to enter how to create a landing page into the search bar at the top of the page. You're then going to be taken to a page where you're going to find a lot of questions related to this question or to the one that we searched. And as you can see, a lot of people are asking the same question. Some people are responding, and this is going to be the best chance that you have to refer targeted people to get traffic to the Unbounce website by using your referral link. And you're going to earn 20% of the recurring revenue and commission. It depends on the package that they choose and purchase. Of course, the higher the more expensive package, the higher your commission is going to be. Now, it's a very effective method to get started as a complete beginner. Like what I showed you, you can earn almost $1,000 in commission. All you have to do is click the answer button, and then it's going to open up a box where you can type in your response, and you're going to leave your link there. Then you're going to click the submit. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much what you're going to do. So just make sure you use different topics and search for different topics, answer more questions on Quora, leave your referral link, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.